I decided to take the fight to the rat and move the camera and the trap inside the shed. When I opened it, there was mayhem. They had gone through all of our flower seed and bulbs and wreaked havoc in the shed. In order to not scare them away, I left the chaos as it was and just moved the camera and the trap inside the shed and waited. The same night the big rat showed up. As I watched it explore the trap and it once again occupied with the top side of the trap while ignoring the business end below, I suddenly realized that I no longer needed to protect Melker the cat from the trap. He can't get into the shed. So I went back to the drawing board. I decided to build a ramp of sorts, an incline that would force the rat to reach the goodies from below. And by making the ramp quite narrow, I reasoned that some of its brainpower would be preoccupied with balancing and therefore a little less able to spot danger. I built the thing. I've changed the bait to peanut butter and chicken kebab. It is quite cold now and I wanted something that smells even when frozen, which the chicken kebab really does. I also smeared some peanut butter on the ramp itself in an attempt to guide it up to the trap. Now all I could do was once again wait for the night to fall.